Sometimes, as an organization, we want to get training content out to our employees in such a way that they can do it online and also that they can be able to revisit that content on a regular basis. And perhaps we don't have the capacity to have trainers going from one location to the next. Adobe Captivate is a fantastic tool to be able to do this. You can do everything from quizzes to software simulations. And that is something that I'm going to show you today, that you can make a software simulation of any bespoke system that you have. Just to clarify, I will be using the new Adobe Captivate and not Captivate Classic for the demonstration today. So I'm going to click here on the new simulation. And remember, you can simulate anything from a bespoke accounting system or CRM system or an Adobe product. It really doesn't matter. I am then going to choose the type of area that I want to simulate. So I'm going to use the window application. I'm now going to choose the application that I want to use. In this instance, it's going to be my Google Chrome background. I'm then going to choose the size that I'd like to record it at, the narration, whether I want narration or not. So in this instance, I do want some narration, and of course, the simulation type. So there are three different types. Demonstration means the person viewing the learning content just needs to watch. They don't need to interact with it in any way. If I choose training, training means they actually have to do what I've shown them. And then assessment means they get assessed on the system to see whether they actually know it or not. But today, we're going to do demonstration. I am now going to click on the record button. It's going to count down. And basically what I can go and do, I'm just going to move this out of the way, is I can now do whatever the demonstration is or the simulation that I want in the system that I want to have. So perhaps maybe we want to look at some holiday fonts because I'm here in Adobe Font. Here in South Africa, we don't really have snow that much, but maybe we want something that looks like it's been knitted, and we can then go and add this family to our Creative Cloud. Once you have got your simulation that has been completed, you can then choose to stop your simulation. And that is with a pop-up window. I'm just going to stop the simulation, and it is then going to open it up in Captivate for me. As you can see, I am now in Adobe Captivate. Each slide was done for me. You can see it even has the mouse movements that were done at the time. And if I go into preview, is or the simulation that I want in the system that I want to have. So perhaps maybe we want to look at some holiday fonts because I'm here in Adobe. So you can see it did exactly what I wanted it to do based on the movements that I had done. As you can see, creating software simulations in Adobe Captivate is really easy and simple. But if you would like to know more and how complex you can make your simulations and the various options that are available, please reach out to us here at Magenta. We can take you through the step-by-step process and make you feel comfortable to be able to create your own content.